In this tutorial, we're covering the entire material system in World Creator, from a bare terrain to a fully textured landscape. So let's start off with the terrain. So here I have a currently untextured terrain of a mountain range, and I'm going to start off by giving it a single base color, and then applying a flow and a slope distribution to this. And I'm going to tweak the values a bit in order to reduce the spreading of this material a bit. Next, we'll add the base material for the entire terrain and turn on gradient. And I'm going to select a preset with some rocky colors. And we're going to drop a height gradient in the gradient distribution. So now we're going to enable gradient detail in order to mix some noise into the ramp of the gradient and add some more structure to it. Now we can see that our gradient material covers our previous flow material. And that's because in World Creator, materials work bottom up, similar to something like layers in Photoshop. I pull the flow material up above the gradient and we can see it's back again. So every time I add a layer, I move the flow back on top. And now our base material is done. Now we're going to add another gradient material. This time I want to add some vegetation to the scene. And this is where real textures come in. A material can carry a full texture loaded in 3 different ways. Either as a set, where you assign individual maps automatically by name. Then there's package, where you can simply drop in a zip file with all your material textures as just one package. Or substance, where you can simply drag and drop a substance painter SBSAR file into World Creator and use this as a base for your material. So here I'm going to select a package and drop in my archive. And the first things you're going to want to do is enable triplanar projection and stochastic distribution. Triplanar projection stops the texture from stretching on steeper angles and slopes, and stochastic distribution prevents tiling of textures by scattering them randomly. So the other vegetation layer is already set up the same way, so I just switched this on. It also simply uses a gradient. And the payoff of setting up all our materials like this, instead of painting on masks by hand, is that if you change the terrain, for example by adding more erosion or steeper slopes, or even run a simulation, the materials automatically recalculate in real time. So you don't have to do any further setup once your material stack is finished. Now finally, let me increase the resolution a bit so we can see more details. And with just 4 simple materials, we've made this impressive looking landscape, just by using a simple color material, 2 gradients and a texture package. And that's it for the material system in World Creator. Stay safe and have a great day.